In the new Chrysler Pacifica, there is a very huge problem with battery drains. So the auxiliary battery and the main battery can die overnight. There is a really huge power drain, and one of the reasons of this drain is bad wiring. While the dealership will insist on just replacing the batteries, and you will probably pay for these batteries, you should check the wiring first. Very often it's connected with the rear sliding door. So there is the rubber band in the lower part of the sliding door, and inside that rubber band there is the wire that powers the power door. So this wire may get corroded, and when it's corroded, the door may still work, but it will drain power. In what way? Once you lock your car, the computer will get the wrong signal that the door is open. So this wire creates the wrong signal for the computer, and every 30 seconds your car will light up the dash and light up the multimedia, because it will think that someone is in the car, and it will hint to press the brake pedal in order to start the vehicle. So every 30 seconds your dash will light up. You can easily check it. Just lock yourself in the vehicle and check if this is the case with your Chrysler Pacifica. So just lock the doors with the button on your key fob and wait for 1 minute and see if the dash comes on. If the dash comes on, 99% the reason for your problem is that wire in the rubber band in the sliding door. I don't think you can repair it on your own, but at least if you know what the problem is, you can easily find the mechanic or even go to your Chrysler dealership and tell them what to do, because the price for repairing this wire is not that high. Now, the repair of this wire is the proper solution, but there is also the DIY quick solution to stop draining the batteries. You need to find the fuse for the power door, this power sliding door. This fuse is under the hood in the fuse box. Just look at the fuse map and you will easily locate it. So take this fuse out and the power doors will not work, but the problem with the draining batteries will be solved for some time. So when you repair this wire, you can insert this fuse back to where you took it out from, and everything will work fine.